or Mystic.
Mommy, look, there's whales over there. Can I go swim with the whales?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, careful, you're getting sprayed. Okay.
Oh, I got sprayed by a sperm whale, Mommy.
Yeah.
I feel so special.
Yeah, you should. Now let's take a look over here at the penguins and the seals.
Okay. Oh, look, Mommy. I hear the seals.
I know, that's so cool.
They need to come back on the Marlboros, though. It's terrible. People are always throwing their cigarette butts in there.
I know.
They don't want that
go,
stuff.
roar, and pick them up and start smoking.
Do penguins make noises, Mommy?
Something like, yeah, don't you hear them now?
Wow. And they're clapping, too.
Yeah.
That's really great, Mommy.
When they're in the water and they're flapping their wings, that's the sound that it makes. Yeah.
They make that sound, too?
Absolutely.
That's amazing, Mommy. You're so smart.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm going to tap on the glass.
Ding, 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 ding.
You need to stop. Oh, a boat is coming by.
A boat?
Do you see the boat out there?
Why are you pointing up in the sky?
Well, it's out there. It's
Oh,
pretty high
I
up
see.
the
Oh, yeah,
water.
I see. Okay. Because we're in like a ditch thing.
Clang.
What the heck was that? Somebody flushed the toilet?
I guess so.
Oh.
Clang, clang.
Do you
Mommy,
need-
I got a little bit of gas.
Oh boy. Okay. Well, I'll just. Oh, I guess I do too.
Yours sounded much worse than mine did. I guess mine was a silent but deadly.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mommy. Oh, sorry. Mommy, can I get something to eat and drink, or drink and eat? It's your choice.
Either one.
Yeah, eat and drink or drink and eat.
What would you like? Some popcorn, maybe?
Sure.
Okay. And what about some soda?
Sure.
Okay.
Soda will make me burp, though.
Yeah. Well, here you go.
Glug, 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 glug.
Sorry. I'm going to just take a sip. There. That's delicious.
All better now?
Yeah, I think so. Sorry.
Okay. And anything else that you want to eat?
That cup didn't make a sound when it hit the ground. That's cool.
Oh.
Probably because I threw it in the tank over there.
Okay.
Glug, glug.
Did you want anything else to eat? Want a hot dog?
No, because I just won't finish it anyways. It's a waste of money.
That's true. You're right. You're getting smart.
Okay. Ooh! Can we go to the souvenir shop and buy toys?
Sure.
Ka-ching!
Okay, here. Let's go.
Oh, yay! I love you, Mommy!
Oh, I love you too.
Can I buy like the big giant whale thing like the one that we saw? And hopefully it'll make the right sound?
Oh, yeah. And they'll spray on you?
Yeah!
Okay. Oh, yeah. See? Oh,
Ooga.
And can I bring in the bathtub?
of course.
Yay!
Did you want one of those clanging things from the boat? The clang.
Clang, 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 clang.
Yeah, what was
clang.
that thing anyway?
The bell? Did you want one of those boat
Yeah, I want a bell. Ooh, can I have it now?
Clang, cling, cling. Ding, ding.
Ding dong.
Ooh, it's neat.
It is
makes all
pretty
kinds of
cool.
different sounds.
I see that.
Just like my belly.
Oh. Do you think we need to go to the bathroom?
No, we'll just get in the car and we'll stop on the way home somewhere.
Okay.
Because that's more annoying.
Well, let me pay for all this stuff, okay?
Oh, I can't have it now? Beep. 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 Oh, and I want a shirt that says Mystic Connecticut on it.
Of course. Grab it. Get your size.
Will this fit?
Sure. Anything's better than Luca
Beep.
University.
Oh.
All right.
Probably would have been seen. That's great.
Earth Day field trip to the forest.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the 40th anniversary of Earth Day.
What the freaking do?
Well, who's your mother? Love your mother. Love Mother Earth. What did they teach you at Rukala University?
How to disrespect the earth.
That's right.
You
I
use
don't want
poison
to-
ivy to wipe
I
my
don't
butt.
want to-
You don't want to do Earth Day? You don't want to do outside? Okay. You want an indoor field trip?
Well, not
Would you rather
necessarily.
the
but-
Basketball Hall of Fame?
I don't care.
What was
No.
that for?
Okay, how about a field trip to some like factory where they make like, you know,
Shards of glass.
shards of glass pie.
Mr. Mainway, this toy is bag o' glass. Not to be confused with our other toy, shards of glass.
Can I use the bags of glass on the old bag?
I That's from Dan Aykroyd.
Dan Aykroyd
Saturday
and
Night Live.
Candace
Okay.
Bergen, right?
Was it-
I don't remember who he was with.
Or was it Jane?
It could have been Jane Curtin.
Was it Jane Curran?
I,
I
whoever.
think, no, I think it was Candace
It's
Bergen.
definitely Dan Aykroyd.
Dan Aykroyd.
Oh yeah, of course. it
Definitely
is.
played Mr. Main.
All the good stuff.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. All right.
And when you empty the bag, you still have a bag,
That's right.
which is a completely other toy.
Okay, so you want a field trip?
Yeah.
Where?
To a glass factory.
All right, Glass Factory it is.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Oh, I dropped another one. Oh boy. Okay, this tour is not
Ooh,
going.
it's a good thing it landed on that pillow. Here, let me help you.
Oh. Okay,
There we
this
go.
tour is not going as well as I had hoped.
Mhm.
Okay, now if you look over here, this is our super strong model. It's not going to break in
Ooh,
any circumstances. See?
Did you ever see kids do that when they're afraid they stick their tongue?
Yeah, but
And-
but this will not break under any circumstances. So yeah, see.
You're right.
See, yeah, see. Okay, and so I'll just take that and I'll just put that over here.
Bang!
Wow.
Okay, well, maybe that wasn't the super strong one. Okay, this one here. Okay, here.
Are you sure that's the right one?
I'm pretty sure.
Can you get that Wolverine off the bottom of the thing? How thick is this thing?
Let me see. That thing.
That's serious. It's almost as thick as my glasses.
Yeah, and it's been used in eyewear for some people at Rucolet University.
Great.
Put that one down.
Do you have like
Crash!
Do you have like any wine glasses?
Wine glasses. Does that one taste okay?
No.
No, sorry.
Wine glasses?
Wine glasses, yes, and they do have a special taste. Now that's over here, and is this the kind that you were looking for?
I just want to see if they make that sound, like when you do the top. Oh, it does.
They all do.
Oh.
Try this one.
Nice, I like it.
Do you want? Okay.
All right, backwards.
Can I have one more, please?
Oh, of
I
course.
shouldn't have thrown that one down. I want to try something. Thanks. I'm going to sing really loud, and I'm going to see if I can break that glass.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here I go. I did it! Yes!
All right. Now, that was one of our more expensive glasses, so
Oh.
that one was $579.32. Do you have a credit card?
You know, it's insane.